So what's happening to us today? Why are adults becoming like children? Now, I went to a terrible school in Mortlake in near Richmond, and it was a boys' school, and I was bullied, but I look all right. And maybe to you people I look retarded, but I'm not. I learned things. We had disciplines at school. In primary school, we were taught, for instance, how to have a conversation. We were taught debate in primary school. Now adults can't debate. You watch a TV interview and the interviewer asks the host a question, and then as soon as the host starts answering it, the interviewer's already interrupting them because the conversation is not going the way they want it to go. That's not a conversation. Nobody's listening to anybody anymore. People talk over each other. In America, they seem to make insults and character assassination an everyday occurrence. Unfortunately, I don't think that's happening in Britain yet, but why can't we listen to one another? Everybody has, it doesn't matter what persuasion you are, left, right, centre left, upper right corner, I don't know, but everybody has something they can offer to somebody. Hear people out. People don't listen. At school, we were taught math. I learned math the hard way. The teacher had a cane. He'd point at us and ask her what 7 6s were. If we didn't know, we got it across the hand. But I tell you what, I look pretty normal now, don't I? I don't look like a problem child. And when I'm at the supermarket, I can pretty much calculate the value of my shopping in my head. Oh, it doesn't matter, but it's disappointing I can do that. So why we're grown up now? We're not children anymore. The name calling stopped in the playground. When we were name calling at school, we got our legs slapped, and now adults are calling people names, and they need their legs slapped too. This hate speech, what is that? It's made up. Hate is a very strong word. I dislike people intensely, but I don't hate anybody. It's a made up word to make us shut up. They don't want debate. And debate is important. We need to learn and we need to listen to one another. And that way we understand each other. We can understand the problems that we're facing in our different countries. So people should stop interrupting. They should listen to one another. And if I ask you a question, I listen for the answer. Wait till you're finished, and then I can come in with another alternative angle. But this, nobody, if a host is interrupting the guest, they're not listening to the guest, are they? Everything has an agenda these days. You've got to fit the agenda. I don't work like that. I don't do that anymore. I don't fit anyone's agenda. I think for myself. Here I am. I'm one of these people that apparently we're obsolete. They don't want thinkers. They want people who just obey. No, I don't. I accept authority. I respect authority. But I'm a thinker. I think things through. I was taught as a child to ask questions. I question everything. I challenge everything. Not in an aggressive way. I just challenge. I just ask questions. Oh, it's just my thought for today, and hope somebody can respond without name calling. Oh, it doesn't matter if you do. I mean, if you call me names, well, you know what I already think about it. Okay, this is for today. Thank you for listening.